So today your job in your ongoing reading document is to read for 30 minutes in the chapter book that you picked from home or one of the books from the Padlet that I included in the lesson plan created by Mrs. Lavoy, our librarian. Your job is to write about the setting. So I'm going to give you an example using The People of Sparks. We just read chapter 16 today, so my examples are going to come from that chapter in particular. So setting, I wrote the date. In my ongoing reading document, I wrote setting at the top because that's the story element we're focusing on. And then I'm going to read you what I wrote. So it says, the setting is in the middle of nowhere. I know this because the author says the land is vast and there is nothing but grass and trees for miles. On page 186, the text says, and now boys and girls, I copied the next part right from the text, so I put quotation marks to show that it comes right from the text. On the second night, they pulled up beside the ruins of a town. Not much was left of it, but you could see that once there had been hundreds of houses. The concrete foundations, overgrown with weeds, lined up along curved streets. This shows that there used to be towns and cities, but now there is not. So boys and girls, I did my own description of the setting. I included a quote from the text and I used the quotation marks or what we call bunny ears to show that I copied 2 sentences right from the text, 3 sentences actually, and then I explained my quote. I said, this shows that there used to be towns and cities, but now there is not. And then also in your ongoing reading document today, after you describe the setting, you're going to write the chapter book that you picked to read. So I wrote, I will read The People of Sparks. And then, of course, I know that some of you are going to read more than one text. Some of you might be reading this same text for the next couple weeks. It all depends on what text you choose to read. So have fun, and I will see you tomorrow.